Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a Menulog order. Once your payment is authorized, online cancellations are usually not possible. However, you can still try by contacting Menulog customer support. Go to the Menulog Help Center and use live chat, email, or phone support. Menulog will contact the restaurant for you, but cancellation depends on whether the order has already been prepared. When contacting support, have your order number, restaurant name, and order details ready. And that's it. That's how to cancel Menulog order. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.